That's right, Polestar 2. This is a 2020. I don't know if you've seen this car. Maybe you've seen it in the ads, maybe in Facebook, maybe Instagram, maybe TikTok. But I'm gonna show you a few parts of it, alright? First, these are the brakes, okay? Nothing new. Gonna look like it's like a regular caliper. Gonna look like a Jeep. Let me see this real quick. That's gonna be an Allen, okay? Then 2 nuts that hold it, or 2 bolts. Nothing new. This is a battery car, as you can see. Battery electric vehicle. Alright. Not much so far. This is the front brakes. Let me show you the rear one. The rear brakes. Now we come to the rear part of the vehicle. These are the rotors, normal stuff, some European style. That's it. If you want to remove the rotor, but before removing that, I mean, you can do it anytime, but you're gonna have to replace this. This is the caliper right here. Yeah, some Mercedes-Benz type brake pads where you can put this sensor. This is the caliper with the mechanically, electronically enhanced right here. So if you're gonna have to, if you wanna work on the replace the brake pads, you're probably gonna, or most definitely, you're gonna have to like use a scanner to push the piston back in order to replace the brake pads. You have the bolts here, 2 bolts, one over there, one over here. They look like a 15 to me. ABS sensor. Those are for the battery. Okay, be careful with those orange cables, wiring, whatever you want to call it. If you touch that, you might die. Okay, so be careful with that. All right. I remember back in the days, not too long ago from now, in order to touch these things, you need double gloves. You seen those guys that are climbing the light pole, and in order to remove those cables, wires, whatever you call it, they use some gloves. Okay, you gotta use 2 of those to touch this. But these vehicles have like a kill switch, which is up there in the trunk. Okay, you hit that switch and you disconnect the cables from the battery. Okay, I'm not talking about 12 volts battery. I'm talking about the big battery that I moved this vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so this is how the brake system looks in the back. Alright, pretty much. Now let me show you how the inside the vehicle looks like. Oh, another thing, in order to remove the bolts, you're gonna have to remove these guys first. Try to remove it with a black pick. Alright, to remove these guys first, just so you know. This is how you open the hood. Alright, it's right under the steering wheel. The latch is gonna be on that side, but you don't see nothing in the front. It should be right under all this plastic. That's the jack in case you have a flat windshield fluid reservoir. Pretty much. This is what you see as soon as you open the hood. Let me see the manufacturer label. 2021 battery electric vehicle. Polestar. That's a type of AC. Just the door right there. Not much. Basic stuff. This reminds me BMW or Mercedes-Benz type. As soon as you get in the car, you see all these gadgets. That's the light, mirror. That's the steering wheel. Okay, shifter. This is that's a that's a sick sunroof mirror. Alright, the dashboard. So let me show you this real quick. Steering wheel, steering feeling, light, standard, firm, sport mode. What else we got here? One pedal drive, creep. If you know what that means, let me know. Put it in the comment box. That's how the car looks like. Let's go assist. Driver support, driver alert, collision avoidance, standard, ready to drive notification, road sign information, lane keeping aid, charge. Yes, 89% now. That's interesting. What is this? 90% is Polestar recommended to preserve the lifespan of the battery. Okay, what about more? Car status, lacking, interior lights, steer lights, mirrors, wipers, powered off vehicle. Okay, what is this? Cameras. Can go there. What is this? Apps. Those are the apps. What's that? Okay, nothing. That's the main menu. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna start it. I just step on the brake. This is the rear camera. How it looks like. That's pretty much it. With this Polestar, it tells you the speed limit. Pretty much, it tells you how much battery you have and the range in miles. 220 with a 90% of battery or 89% battery. Alright, car is still brand new, 3,455 miles. That's the symbol. Down here, you charge your phone, cup holder. Pretty much. Let me step outside so you can see the inside from another angle. Alright, that's how it looks like. That's how you control the seat, like any other regular car. Has a brake and gas pedal. This is the rear seats. Not much. Got a fan in the back. You can seat warmer, whatever you call it. And that's pretty much it. Do you like that view? Oh, you see that symbol? That's crazy. Look at that. It's a big ass sunroof, and that doesn't move. Just stay like that. All right, guys. I hope you like this video. All right. Anything you need to say? If you've seen this vehicle before, or you have one, put it in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Let me know how does it feel, how much it is. Put all that in the comment box for me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, so every time I upload a new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Feedback, put in the comment box, alright? Share this video. Catch me in the next one. Holla at your boy. I'm out.